morning, good afternoon, good evening sa lahat ng aking viewers sa Facebook and sa YouTube. Alright guys, as you can see, ayan, ito na po yung ating balloon. Ayan, si Tweety Bird. So, ganyan po siya guys. Before na pinakita ko sa inyo, yung balloon stand. So, ayan po siya. Ang ganda ng kanyang balloon stand. Magugustuhan to ng mga bata. Ayan guys. So, bukas po ay birthday na ni Sinyo. So, ayan, hinanda ko na yung kanyang balloon stand. Kasi magagamit na siya bukas. Araw ng birthday ni Sinyo. Ayan. So, thank you so much guys. As always, thanks for watching. Alright, this is Ellie Vlog Channel. Thank you so much. Ayan, tomorrow, birthday na ni Sinyo. So, ayan, hinanda ko na yung kanyang stand balloon. So, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do comment, like, and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. God bless us everyone.